Adam and Eve in the garden. They had one thing they couldn't do. I mean, God created the garden. We can't even imagine what it was like. And they had one command: don't eat from the fruit of knowledge of good and evil. That's it.
Right.
All right. Let's test that. See how hard that is.
What do you mean? You're going to make me eat something?
No. No, you're not going to eat anything. I'm going to use this guitar.
Okay.
That's what we're going to do. We'll make a covenant. I'll play some music. While I play music, the whole time I'm playing, you simply can't look at the guitar.
Oh, no. Okay, I can't look at the guitar at all?
Cannot.
Not glance, not nothing?
Not nothing. If you do, you eat from the fruit, get out of the garden.
Okay, so where am I supposed to look? Can I look at that guitar? Let's see, I can see that out of the corner.
Close your eyes or something. I don't know.
I'll close my eyes.
You know, anything. Is it a deal?
It's a deal.
I'm not going to sit here and play for an hour, so you don't have to worry about that.
No, that's
I'll
all
keep
right.
it short.
So I cannot look at the guitar at all.
You can't look at the guitar.
Okay. All right.
It's a deal, right?
It's a deal.
So we have a covenant.
We have a covenant.
All right, it's in effect.
Yes.
Now, before I begin to play music,
Uh-huh.
so you're not tempted to look,
Uh-huh.
While I'm playing, I'm going to show you the features of this guitar. Because it's going to make a lot.
Look at it now?
It's going to make, look. It's going to make some really cool noises. You're going to hear stuff like that. When you hear it, I don't want you to, suddenly look.
Okay.
And it's pretty to behold. Look at the colors, the stripes and everything.
Yeah.
This is a cool guitar.
It's very cool.
Floyd Rose locking tremolo. Locks up at the note. So what it does is you take the strings, and when I push on that, see how the bridge goes up?
Oh, yeah, I see
Okay,
that.
that's what makes the strings do this. And it stays in tune. It's pretty cool, huh?
That's
So you can
very
do all
cool.
kinds of cool effects with harmonics. Possibilities are endless. And then it's got this, which is another feature. It's drop D.
What?
A drop D tune is what it's called.
Okay.
So you pull this lever out, and this string right here goes down a full step to D instead of E, which it's normally at. So it sounds like this. It's kind of cool because you can do things like this. Kind of neat, huh?
Neat.
Yeah. Anyway, thought I'd show you that. And all this cool stuff that you see on there in Hebrew, those are lyrics to my favorite songs.
Yeah, I was wondering what that writing was.
And that's the priestly blessing, of course. But anyway, I thought that was cool.
Yes.
Anyway, so that's it. That's this guitar.
Okay.
All right, now I guess I'll start playing. Wow, you got your eyes closed really, really tight. You don't have to close your eyes that tight. They're not going to magically pop open. You're not a jack in the box. Hey, the reason I wanted you to do this is because I don't know if you've ever thought about this, but it's pretty interesting. There was a woman who got us kicked out of the garden. And then it was two more women that started the whole war in the Middle East to this day. Believe that? You guys caused a lot of problems. You know you're going to blow it. You're going to look. It's just a matter of time. Look, you're grinning. Your eyes are starting to water because you're holding them so tight. You need to learn to just let go. Let go. Open your eyes and look, man. You're always letting men boss you around. It's your body. You have the right to do what you want with it. Open your eyes. You don't have to submit to man. Just look and get it over with. It's a pretty guitar. Sounds good. You'll enjoy it. Nothing's gonna happen. Okay, you can look. So you think you passed?
I think I did, because I didn't look. Except when you were telling me to look at it.
When I told you to look at it?
Yeah, you said, look at this. I wrote this on. Did I? Is that when I failed? That's not fair.
At 1:37.
You tricked me. You're the devil.
Of course. That's the whole point. I was going to play devil's advocate.
Oh, that's not fair.
Well, I tell you, we said, okay, we got to deal with the covenants in effect then. Okay,
Yeah.
the covenants in effect. Then I said, now, at least you're tempted to look while I'm playing and making these cool noises. Let me show you the features of this guitar so you're not tempted.
Right. So I failed. I failed before I even... That ain't
Before I
fair.
even started. Well, the whole point is, that's how Satan tempts. If I would have sat there and said all kinds of things to get your attention while I'm playing, you know, and I could do that if I had all this looped up, to try to distract you, it wouldn't work. Because you know it's coming.
Right.
The whole point is, he's very subtle. You never see him coming.
Okay, I got it.
Everybody would fail. We all do. The covenant was, as soon as the covenant's in effect, it's in effect.
So I should have just shut my eyes as soon as we said that's in effect. All right.
You know, and that's kind of how he did Eve. Was, you know, he came over there questioning everything, and you know, brings up the subject. But that's how subtle it is, because the world has this conception that Satan is this ugly-looking, hideous beast with horns, and he's red, and he's got a pointy tail, and that's not him.
No.
Anyway, he's very beautiful, and what we're going to do in the next video is going to show you scripturally who he is and what he's in control of. It'll blow your mind.
Well,
You probably know most of this. But
He was I don't know if he was actually an archangel, but he was in charge of the music.
he was the anointed cherub, and the cherub are the worship angels.
And
So
he's
that means he's the
also-
conductor.
He can also change into an angel of light.
Well, he is very beautiful. He's the most beautiful angel created. But we're going to look at it in scriptures.
Okay.
And the whole point of doing this is to show us that if Satan tempts you and gets that opportunity, you're going to fail. I mean, we all do. Christ didn't, but we do. Anyway, that's the point. Blew it. Get out of the garden.
Fine.
Sorry to do that.
You
to you.
tricked me.
Yeah,
Satan
well,
would
that's
never
what
trick
she
me.
said. She said, the serpent deceived me.